My name is Julia and I'm an artist. In this short video I will try to tell you how to start or how to continue your study of drawing and painting with the exercises of only some minutes a day. So let's start.
Today we will do a tonal line drawing. The tonal line is a variation of the thickness and the intensity of the drawing line. These are some examples. You will need a sheet of white paper and a pencil, possibly B or 2B. At the beginning, I advise you to do this exercise in 2 steps. First, draw the subject with the light thin line. After that, make the line thicker in the parts in the shadow. The more shaded is the area, the thicker the line will be. After some time, you will be able to do this in 1 take.
Did you like this video? Like it and follow my channel. See you on my social networks.